Hi guys, welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at pound US dollar. Now that there's a lot of Bank of England stuff out the way, the pound is an interesting chart to have a little look at because we've recently retested the supply zone here around about 141 up to 141.35, and we've started to reject and we started to pull back from this sort of mini uptrend that we've got going on, because you can see here that the market is making higher highs and higher lows. So in that format, I would expect this market to continue its sort of uptrend at a key support and resistance level. So looking for price to pull back potentially down into this sort of area through here around about the 139s for either a continuation or a sort of reversal in price at that point. But seeing this nice little reversal going on here at the moment, I've been looking at a couple of trading opportunities that we could take into consideration. Now, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, the first thing you're going to see is a head and shoulders pattern. This is a very common pattern that we see at the top of trends or at the top of at key resistance levels, and you can see that price has broken down. We've had a really nice clean close below these lows just through here, suggesting that if price was to sort of pull back a little bit higher, we could see a continuation of the downtrend off of this head and shoulders pattern. So the first things first is we're going to identify the sort of level within this area, and the first level I like is around about 141.28. that is the most traded level within this previous consolidation pattern, just at the top here on this 30-minute time frame. But the 4-hour looking good for some potential downside. So the first sort of level of interest, like I just said, around about 141.28, or even the sort of 141 level. That is the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, and if price does come back here, we could look to get short on this market. Alternatively, there's a little bit of a day trading option, and we've got to be a little bit careful because obviously there's a little bit of sort of demand just through here. The reason why there's demand here is because we had a short break in the market and extreme bullishness followed, so we have to be a little bit careful about this one. But if I go to the 30-minute time frame, we can see that the market consolidated within this sort of area here. Now, the most traded level within that consolidation is 1.4062. So what I'll be looking for is, if price comes back up into this level, I'll be going in on a lower time frame, on around about the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame, to look for any changes in trend, because what I'm going to try and identify is the change of the momentum. Is it going to swing back into the seller's favor? And if we see that, then I'm going to be looking for short-term short opportunities back down into this demand zone for further shorts. So two sides of the coin here to really watch for. We've got the overall head and shoulders pattern where we can look for opportunities, or we've got the sort of day trading move in here where I'm going to be looking for a 5-minute opportunity around about 1.4062. Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll speak to you soon.